In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Outlook open links with Chrome, not Edge. Here's the idea. Outlook opens links in whatever your computer is set to use as the default web browser. If your default is Microsoft Edge, links in Outlook will launch in Edge. To make those links open in Google Chrome instead, we'll change your default browser at the system level. It's quick and you can switch back anytime. Start by opening Outlook in your browser at outlook.live.com. This gives you an easy place to test once we're done. You can open any message that has a link so you're ready to try it out later. Nothing changes in Outlook itself, we're just setting up a convenient test page to confirm it works. Now move to your computer's settings. On Windows, click the Start button and open Settings, or press the Windows key +I to get there directly. In Settings, go to Apps, then choose Default Apps. This is where Windows decides which program handles web pages, email, media, and more. If you're on Windows 10, you'll also find default apps right inside the settings menu. The layout may look slightly different between Windows 10 and 11, but the option is in the same place. Once you're in default apps, look for the web browser section. You'll see the browser Windows currently uses, which is likely Microsoft Edge. Click that icon to open the list of available browsers, then select Google Chrome. That single choice tells Windows to send all standard web links to Chrome by default. If you don't see Chrome in the list, install it first from google.com/Chrome. Then come back to this screen and select it. If it's installed but missing, make sure Chrome is up to date and try again. With Chrome selected as the default, switch back to your Outlook tab and click any link in an email. It should now open in Chrome. If it still opens in Edge, your organization might have a policy that forces certain links to use Edge, or there could be security tools managing your defaults. In that case, check with your IT team. For personal devices, this change typically takes effect immediately. If you ever want to reverse this, return to Settings, open Default Apps, and pick a different browser under Web Browser. Remember, changing the default browser affects links you click across your computer, not just in Outlook, so this streamlines your browsing experience everywhere. That's all you need to make Outlook open links with Chrome.